YouTube, thought I'd do a quick video here. I've been asked by a couple people if I'm going to have an interface board available for the new repeater that Retevis came out with. And to answer your question, it depends on if I get enough people to sign up on my website for me to go forward with this project. So if you're gonna be interested in an interface board for this repeater, go to my website. I'll post a link down below. It takes 2 seconds. You put your name and your email address, and then you just hit subscribe now. That lets me know if I have enough people to go forward with this project. So it's really important that you sign up, even if you're, just thinking about, possibly getting that repeater and this interface board. Go ahead and sign up. I'm not going to hold you to it, but like I said, I have to have enough people before I can go forward. Now, this interface board will be just like my other one. It will do Zello, weather announcements, repeater ID. You will need a computer, whether it's a mini PC, whether it's a laptop, desktop, or even a Raspberry Pi. It'll be this like my other interface board I have with the other Retevis repeater. It'll function about the same way. So it's very important that you go to my website. I'll post that link down below to sign up. Like I said, it's simple. You put your name, your email address, and hit subscribe now. Boom. And that lets me know if there's enough people for me to keep continuing with this project. So there you have it. I hope that kind of answers your question about that. If you have any other questions or comments, please post them down below. Please subscribe. Thank you, and have yourself a good day.